Ciao YouTube, I'm Kaz and this is the Kaz Does, the unconventional DIY YouTube channel. In this video we will build the ultimate cutting station, so let's get into it. As I said, in this video we will build this modular cutting station. It's modular because it's mainly composed by these modules, so anybody can adapt the cutting station to his own space. On the top has a torsion box that can be used as a cutting holding surface or working table. I cut this grooves inside so I can place these aluminum T-tracks, and to meet what are my needs, I built this flipping table, so it's not finished yet, but just by unscrewing these two bolts, you can easily rotate so I can use it for cut my metal steel bars. As you can see, the cutting station is not complete. That's because this will be a 4-episode miniseries, and the first one, this one, as I said, will be about building the module. The second one will be about the torsion boxes. The third one I will be the flipping table, and the third one, it's a little tricky surprise that I got for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see each other later. Now for the hashtag what you suggest, let me know in the section comment below if you would have done something different or if you think about any upgrades or modification to my project. I would be really proud to discuss with you and share with the community. And if you like the video, remember to give a thumbs up, it's very important for my channel. Remember also to subscribe and ring the bell for stay tuned of any further the Cats does upload. And for today that's all. Ciao from the Cats. Alexa, it's been you working.